So welcome to the shortwave radio channel, and I've been playing around, and I'll have a few videos tonight on this, comparing the H-501x, the Tecsun S-2200x, and the old analog Eton 750 Elite, which is also technically a S-2000. Comparing stuff. I've been doing 3 or 4 scans, kind of, like the ETM scans of the international broadcast bands. One thing that turns out is the fastest scanner is the H-501x. The second is the S-2000, but the loser in the scan speed is the S-2200x. But the reason it is because it tunes, and I've talked about it in a other video, the extra frequencies that you shouldn't scan for international broadcasts, including 16 megahertz range. So if you remove the extra, actually the Tecsun S-2200 is as fast as the H-501. So I'm trying to find a way to do some tests tonight that would be fair for all 3 of them, that would show if one is better than the other, or there's a few observations I already have. I can say honestly that in terms of AGC response, so I was listening to China Radio French from Mali, and there's a lot of fading. I'll be fair, the original S-2000 or Eton 750 or Greenwich 750 actually was easier on the ears to listen to. But signs that both the H-501 and the Tecsun S-2200x are very similar. They both were very, very similar in how the AGC sometimes kind of distorted the fading of signals. So this is very interesting. Is it a similar effect on all DSP-based triple conversion radios like the 990, like the H-501? And I have to say that, I've said it before, we could almost say that the S-2200X is in a big box, a PL990-ish with airband added and a few little bells and whistles in the front. So I'll have some shortwave broadcast tonight, and I'll try to find something that has a lot of fading on it. You'll notice that, well, even though a lot of bad stuff on the original, it's not all bad. There's some sides to it, and I don't know if it's because it's PLL analog. Somebody once told me on one of my in the comments in one of my videos that he preferred like the Tecsun PL680, 660, things like that to the DSP-based receivers because they were smoother and sounded better many times on some of the shortwave signals. Maybe that's what we're seeing here. So, of course, more investigation is needed for all of this to be confirmed, but I'm going to do that tonight. I'm going to play around with these 3 radios, and like I joked in one in my Facebook group, don't you realize that this looks like a podium for radios? My bad barbecue is used as a podium. Maybe I should put them in order of who's the winner of each category. It'd be kind of fun. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.